A number of pumps are in need of renewal at a pump house of an existing water treatment facility as part of routine maintenance, and the opportunity will also be taken to increase the pumping capacity. In order to create an accurate model of the existing conditions, a scan of the pump house internal layout is undertaken and a point cloud created ready for feature extraction. To maximise the benefits of team cooperation, a BIM 360 design project is set up to enable team collaboration for Plant 3D, Revit and Navisworks. The next stage is to establish an accurate model of the existing pump house structure. This is carried out in Revit using feature extraction tools to first identify the positions of the walls and then the columns from the point cloud data. This process can continue with other parts of the structure until a full replica of the structure is achieved, and we can then move on to the next process, which is the extraction of piping features in Plant 3D. Extracting the piping follows a similar process. By identifying points within the point cloud, the piping positions and sizes are automatically detected, as are the piping branches and fittings. Intervention into the automatic processes is also possible to resolve any ambiguity and to determine which piping branches to follow, as it may not be necessary to model piping not relevant to the project. However, all the equipment and piping could be extracted in order to create a digital twin for ongoing maintenance purposes. Now that the existing conditions have been accurately established, the process of creating the new expanded pump array can begin. Firstly, using the Revit model as a reference, defining the new pump positions, and then by creating new piping runs to connect the new pumps into the existing piping system. The documentation phase will now follow the successful creation of the new expanded pump array. Firstly, with the creation of the necessary ISO and ortho drawings, together with the bills of materials, all of which are, including the model itself, synced to BIM 360 Design. It is also then possible to export part specifications and quantities for ongoing maintenance operations. An assembled model in Revit can then be produced in order to create documentation relevant to any structure changes that may need to take place to house the new system. The combined model can then be checked in Navisworks to identify any clashes between piping and any new or existing structure. During the review process, any issues that have been identified can be assigned to individuals to resolve in BIM 360 Design. Once assigned, these issues can be received and responded to in both BIM 360 Design and Navisworks with bidirectional communication to maximize work efficiency. At any point in this process, an InfraWorks model can be created to create compelling visualizations, as well as enabling the tracking of progress of the building and equipment creation, together with the many other various disciplines as they progress within the wider context of the project environment.